Hey guys, today we'll be talking about how to use if statement in Google Spreadsheet. Here you go. In this if statement demo, we're going to have several columns which including students' ID, their points for exam 1 and exam 2, and also the total points, which is the total number of exam 1 and exam 2. And one thing we're going to calculate or we're going to use the if statement is the grade value. We're going to decide using the if function to see whether the students can pass or fail this exam or this course. So let's take the first students as an example. Let's type this like this. We usually start from an equal sign, and then we're gonna call the function, which is the name if. And after that, we're gonna have the brackets. Inside the brackets, we'll firstly state the logical expression in our case, which states that if the total points of the exam is larger than 150, the students can pass the exam or the class. However, the student's gonna fail. So the logical expression here gonna be if the total point is larger than 150. The total points in our example is column D. Column D with the first students, which is the number in D2. So we're gonna state if D2 is larger than 150, we're gonna have the comma as a separator, and then we're gonna tell the system to know which value to return if the function is true. So the value gonna be absolutely pass the exam. So we're gonna state pass. But one thing you should know is that when you are using text or string in a statement, please remember to use citation marks. Otherwise, you don't have or you cannot have the value that gonna state like pass. So after this first value, we're gonna add another comma to separate different arguments, and then we're gonna tell the system which value gonna be returned if the logical expression is false. So in our example, the statement should be fail. And the same way, we're going to use the quotation mark and we spell fail. And after that, we hit enter. So the first student's gonna pass the exam or the course, which can be easily tell from the total grade. And we can try the second one. We start from equal sign and we call the function if in bracket, and if D3, this should be the total value of the exam or the grade for the second students. So if D3 is larger than 150, same thing gonna happen, students will pass. Otherwise, students gonna fail. Let's hit enter to see, which tells us 134 is absolutely lower than 150. So the second student's gonna fail the exam. And there is an easy way to get all of the results here. So like when you hit this cell, you're gonna highlight and highlight it like this way. And when you put your mouse right there, you're gonna have a cross. And then you move, so you're gonna have the results of all of the students' grade, like for the first and the third one, which is higher than 150, the students can pass, and the rest two students gonna fail the class. Okay, that's very easy functions of how to use if statement in Google Spreadsheet. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.